Morning guys, today I'm going to show my ABC Nature VHS collection, 2022 edition. Wolves at the Sea from 1993. Tape, and here's an ABC video catalog from 1994, I think. Let me check what year. Yeah, October 1994. Yep. Alright, I got some, and I'll get some more ABC videos soon. The Big Wet from 1993 also. It's the front. Spine and the back. Tape. Business reply post and a what's it called? Proof of purchase. Nature's Landscape from 1994 is the front, spine, and the back. And even though it says 1993 right there, but it's a 1994 VHS. And even an error on the label, it says it's 1994 VHS. And inside shows that the songs. Got Clash of the Carnivores and Window with the Wild from 1994 to the front, spine, and the back. Tape. Inside shows other nature videos available to buy. I've got Nature's Landscape, Big Wet, and Wolves at the Sea. I'll get Lizards of Oz and the Wombat Bush. And oh, I do have Nature Australia. Hold on, let me get it. I'll go get it. Hold on. Yep. Here it is, The Nature of Australia, Part 2, 1988, which is the front, spine, and the back. I'll get Volume 1 of the VHS very soon. Tape. And nothing special, it's just a commercial case. Yep. Then we got Birdsuti from 1994, yeah, also 1994. It's the front, spine, I've got a picture in the back. Tape. Inside shows the list of songs. And next we have is Takota, the Forgotten of the Wilderness from 2000. It's the front, spine, put a picture of the canyon, and the back. Tape. Inside shows list of songs, and get this out. And other videos available by I'll get Dreamscape, Tall Ships, Wild Recipe, and I only got Nature's Landscape. Alright. Next we have is Rainforest Rhapsody from 2001. It's the front, spine for a picture of the kangaroo, and the back. It's tape. That's the inside shows list of songs. And other videos available. I've got Birdsuti, I'll get Dreamscape, I've got Nature's Landscape, I'll get Tall Ship, I've got Takuna, and I'll get Wild Rhapsody very soon. And that's all I've got time for, folks, and I'll see you all later in the next video.